That's all that he needs. We got a lot going on, though.
Jeff Gordon up into the outside wall.
Looks like some damage on the left rear. Almost somebody got into his left rear.
Oh, he didn't cut the tire.
There's that contact on the left rear.
Well, a good day gone bad again for Jeff Gordon in this chase. Turning Clint Bowyer into the wall, collecting Joey Logano. Caution flag is out. Almirola slides in. Did the leader take the white flag before the caution came out?
Step into the garage straight right here. Fire's gone, fire's gone.
Jeff has been summoned to the NASCAR hauler for a post-race visit.
They said they were going to let him have at it. That's having at it right there.
That's a year's worth of frustration.
Oh, conflict. The crews are in it. And somewhere in the middle of that is Jeff Gordon.
That's stupid.
So we had shown you the replays of the initial contact between Jeff Gordon and Clint Bowyer racing for 5th position. Then this, the payback, as Brad Keselowski, the championship leader, right in front of him, finds enough room to get by.
See how Almirola got in the oil there and couldn't get his car under control.
You see Clint, he's trying to figure out which way to go. He knows that Jeff's mad. I thought maybe his best shot was to go underneath.
Still there.
Jeff is just very determined to take care of business.
That was a real act of a champion. You okay there?
I don't know. It's kind of crazy that a champion will take out like that, but 2 races, Homestead, if we have nothing loose, I'm pretty sure we'll get it, pretty exciting down there. But it's just a freaking shame that this team is working so hard every week like that happens.
Well, I mean, it's just, it's about the 5th time that he's run us over. And after a while, you get really frustrated with that. We all work really hard on these cars, and Jeff races everybody with a lot of respect. And, evidently he had enough. And if you're going to play that way, if you're going to race that way, then you shouldn't be upset when you get it back.
You're the one that has to fix this race car now. What are your thoughts and impressions on Jeff wrecking this car?
I love Jeff Gordon. I stand behind him 100%, and that's what we had to do. And we'll fix him all day long. And he's a great race car driver, and he knows. Everybody out here will tell you he's as good a race car driver and as a competitor as there is. And if he's tired of it, then it means it's time.
Have you ever seen him that fired up?
I was pretty fired up.